Hi guys, Dan here from Rico Imaging, here to introduce to you the new K1 Mark II, talk about some of the new features that the camera has. The camera is now incorporated with the new Accelerator Unit that's attached to the Prime. So the Accelerator Unit basically is going to add it to the high ISO capability of the camera. So the major difference between this and a K1 is the ISO performance has been increased from 204,000 to 819,000. The other addition that we've added is handheld pixel shift resolution, which we call dynamic pixel shift resolution. When we come into the camera and we go into the info screen, one of the selections we have now is dynamic pixel shift. The difference between dynamic pixel shift and traditional pixel shift is the traditional pixel shift resolution uses pre-programmed areas by moving the image sensor over by 1 pixel while keeping the mirror up and using the electronic shutter.
Have any other questions?
With the dynamic pixel shift resolution, we're actually moving the sensor. We're allowing the camera's shake reduction to move around to compensate for the camera shake, and using those 4 camera shake images to compile the pixel shift resolution image.